Mason made that out of bell peppers with painting.
Or put it on yourself. On right here. I got the light wire on. Basically, do it. Hey, 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 ho, 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 Merry Christmas! Next is...
Woo!
Woo!
Presents!
Present!
I hope
I need
it's
some
Beyblade and Bakugan.
Oh, put the newspaper right here.
Merry Christmas, Larry.
Santa Claus.
Well, it's Bakugan and Beyblade.
No Bakugan, no Beyblade. Star Wars.
Okay.
Alright, let's start
Yeah,
opening
sit down.
present.
Powerpuff Boys.
Sit down, open your presents.
Okay.
Tear 'em up, tear 'em up, tear 'em up.
Take it out. Here. Follow. Here. Go.
What you got there, Larry?
Go. What is it?
Wow.
Books. Take whatever.
Whoa, Mason, you got it open too.
Now we got the boat. Can we have some cars?
Sure.
I'll give Mason the green one, and I'll have the red one.
Well, Larry, those books are the same. You have your own and Mason has his own.
And we can share cars.
Well, sharing is very good.
Cars.
Now let's go ahead and start opening up other presents too.
Cars. I'll start that one.
Now you'll open the one that Grandma gives you.
Okay. I'll save this bow.
You want to save that bow?
Here. Now open it. No, wait, that's wrong. That's Beyblade.
Oh. Is it Beyblade? It is Beyblade! Come on, look, there's Pegasus.
Tell Daddy, too.
That's what I wanted.
Well, we
We're
still
done.
got many more to go.
No, we're done.
Okay.
That's what he wanted. Does that record the sound?
Huh?
Does that record the sound?
Yeah.
Grandma,
No cussing. No, what?
I'll put the blue right on there, and I'll put Pegasus right here. And
What
I'll
you got there, Mason?
put it right here.
Show Daddy. Mason, show Daddy your toy.
Here.
Wow.
Metal piece.
We got more other presents to open.
Or we can just drag this out all day. Show Daddy you look at your clothes.
Wow.
This cat's awfully hot.
You play with that in the tub?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope there's Beyblade. I mean, Bakugan.
I'm not really sure.
I hope there's Bakugan. Oh, I like Beyblade.
Here. Can you open this one? Here. Open that one. Here, like.
Oh, thanks.
Whoa. Boy, that box looks familiar.
Go, Mason, go. Go, Mason, go.
Shred 'em up, shred 'em up, shred 'em up.
There you go.
Another Beyblade?
Oh, my.
Wow.
What is that thing? What is it?
Dark Wolf.
Dark Wolf? Maybe Pegasus will stop Dark Wolf.
Maybe with his battle howl.
And what's this?
Show Daddy.
Wow.
Who is it?
Well, it's a Beyblade also.
Drago. Wow. Another Pegasus?
Storm Pegasus.
Storm Pegasus.
What did you get, Mason?
What you got there, Mason?
That.
I can open
Shit,
this
Daddy.
and spin it. I can open Storm Pegasus when I spin him.
We gotta make sure that the toys don't go in the trash.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's open some more presents, buddy.
Look, what he or where? Mason have Beyblade too?
No, he's
This
just
picture,
looking at...
he's looking at it.
Yeah, he's looking at yours.
Oh. Oh, I like Storm Pegasus. Look, how can you see here? How can you spin him?
Well, we don't know yet. We have to read the directions and...
Look,
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Pick all them little
Well,
parts
I'll
up,
try
Larry.
this one.
Well, Larry.
No, don't keep
Pick all them
opening a
little
bunch
parts
of
up or they get thrown away in the trash.
Can you pause that? Oh,
What's
just-
this? Is that Bobo?
Is it?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh.
Sit down, Mason.
I won.
Mason?
Secretary
Sit down.
thing. Oh, there's Bobo. Now there's two Bobo.
I'm missing
Wow,
some
look at
presents.
all of those Beyblades. Look, put this.
Wait.
Well, I hope there's Bakugan.
Go sit down. I
Okay.
think this one's Larry's.
Grandpa,
What?
you'll be Dark
I
Wolf.
don't think I left any in the garage.
You'll
No,
be
there
Dark
isn't any
Wolf.
in the...
Oh.
Sit down, Mason. Sit over there.
Oh, I hope there's Bakugan.
Here. Now you try this side. Here.
Bakugan.
Go, Mason. Go. Go.
Bumblebee? A bumblebee? How do you get that?
Oh.
A bumblebee? How
Didn't
do
you
you
ask
get?
Santa for it?
Well, it's too big, but I can give it to Daddy.
I mean, it's too big.
Look, it has a hub on it. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Are you sure about that, Larry?
Yeah, but it's too big.
Okay.
But you have two bumblebees.
Well, thank you, Larry. Sharing is caring.
Yeah, but you can keep Bumblebee.
Okay.
Go Come on, take your paper off. Good job. Go, Mason, go.
Ugh.
Go, Mason, go. Go,
Daddy,
Mason, go.
how about you can be Dark Wolf?
Well, we can play later after we get all the presents unwrapped, okay?
Okay,
Look at that, Mason.
Whoa.
I'll be Pegasus. Because
Mason, show Daddy.
What?
Show Daddy.
Mason, over here.
Show Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Are those potato
Look
buddies?
at Daddy. Show Daddy.
Whoa.
Spud butt pits.
Dragonoid Colossus. There's more presents?
Well, of course.
Here. Come on, Mason. Here.
Oh, I hope there's Bakugan.
Go, Mason, go.
Go, kids, go. Go, kids, go. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Transformers Power Core Combiners?
Whoa. Let me see. Wow.
Transformers Power Core Combiners. Thank you, Grandma. How'd you
From
get
Santa.
Yeah, Santa.
Wow, Mason, what's that?
What you got there, Mason? Oh.
Blocks?
I always like Beyblade.
Stack them up, Larry. Stack them up, buddy.
Move your bit. Put your tray behind you. Show Daddy. Look at Daddy, Mason.
There you go.
Mason.
Mason.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Daddy.
Whoa, what you got there? What you
Here.
got here? Whoa.
I like Mason's toys.
Wow. Why don't you put it on your next to your toys, buddy?
And Beyblade.
Mason, why
Choo choo.
don't you put it over there?
Backside there. Here, put your toys over here.
Yeah.
Choo choo.
That one is
There's
Mason's,
Bakugan.
and the bottom one here is for Larry.
Yeah, that we don't want to do that one right away.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope there's Bakugan.
Well, we'll see, buddy. There's still some presents left.
Here, Mason. Go, Mason, go.
Go, Mason. Go. Go. Go, Mason. Go. Go.
Mason's. That's. Well, this is for both of you.
Both of us?
Mm-hmm. To play with. Mason, open this first. Good job, Mason.
Whoa.
What
What
is?
did Mason got? Leapfrog.
Did you say leapfrog?
It sounds like he said leapfrog.
We can both open it.
What is it?
A leapfrog.
Oh wow! Show Daddy.
Wow.
This is one I want to look at first.
You know, Dad, you could be Dark Wolf.
You can open that. We don't need to keep talking about that right now.
Whoa.
Mason, look.
Crisscross Crash.
Whoa.
Let him
Whoa.
help. Let him help.
Look at there's a car. Well,
Good job, Mason.
Mason can have Crisscross Crash.
It's for both of you to play with.
Well,
I said it's for both of you. For both of you to play with.
okay.
Hot Wheels, beat that! Hot Wheels, beat that!
I love you, Grandma.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
How you doing, Pop? Oh, we're having it right now. Oh, man. Yeah, Eric's sitting here videotaping all this stuff, and I'm sure he'll send it to you.
And there's a car. Yeah. There's
Where you guys
1,
at?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 presents.
Uh-huh.
Beyblade's cool. So is Transformers.
Oh, okay. Did you guys get rained out?
Can you pause while he's talking on the phone? But you can open it. Here, Mason. Come on, presents. Open. Here. Go. God, there's so much tape on it. Here, Mason, go. Go.
Whoa.
Oh,
More Hot Wheels for you and Mason to play with?
Go, Mason, go.
Awesome.
cool! 2 cars.
2 cars in that one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mason.
What did Mason got?
I don't know.
We'll see what the fronts would say.
Come on, Mason. Go, Mason, go. Good job, Mason.
It's cool.
You like that one, huh?
Yeah.
Well, Mason, what you got there?
Trucks. Show Daddy.
Wow.
Wow.
Mason, show Daddy.
Secretariat.
Show Daddy.
Daddy.
Wow, what we got here? Working trucks. You combine them all, it's all magnetic.
Okay.
Hey.
Alright. Well, let's open up some more presents, buddy. No. No, not yet. Put that down. Let's go sit down. Go sit down.
Okay.
Grandma will help.
1, 2.
Wait a minute. Go sit down.
Go sit down, buddy.
50.
Well, those are just one minute. Oh boy, here we go.
And that one is for Mason.
Yes, that's for Mason, huh?
Whoa, what do we got here?
Go, Mason, go.
Go, Mason,
Bill
go.
just had to be so perfect about wrapping the paper. I'm like, just gonna rip it off. He goes, yeah, well, I want it perfect, and then they can do what they want with it. Here, this is some tough paper.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Now you want to sit on our chairs.
You're on sit and spin.
Mason was like, here, wait.
What did Mason got?
He's
Sit and spin.
A sin spin.
Look at that, Mason. Hope you're not too heavy.
Wow.
Yes.
Says 1.5 to 5.5 years old.
Well, we saved the one last present for Larry. Oh.
Look at your suit and spin.
I hope it's gone.
It's not the last present.
Space Police! Space Police!
Like the one in the movie, right?
Yes! It's the new toy I wanted.
Well, look at the front.
Mason's got paper on his lip.
Yeah, you wanted.
That's Larry's. See, he wants.
It has a green gun, a blue gun, and a red gun. Car, go.
Tickets. Big hug.
Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Merry Christmas, Larry.
Wait, there's one more. There's 2 presents left.
Oh, that's for Daddy and Grandpa.
Oh.
And
I think
Sit
we
down.
might have.
sit down now.
Please date.
I think we might have just a few left. You need to stay where you're at.
Even
That's-
I like Space Police and Beyblade.
Well, I'm glad you like the Space Police.
Yeah. Dad, who's that? That's Drago. You be Drago, and I'll be Pegasus.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna be Justin Bieber.
Here.
Oh, oh.
Didn't get to wrap it.
Gone. How'd you get that?
Santa brought it.
Uh-oh, what we got here?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Alright, why don't you move Beyblade out of your way?
Let's see.
Take all the paper off.
How can you open the
It
box?
says it's a Christmas ham.
Christmas ham?
Yeah.
I didn't order a Christmas ham.
Well, that's what it says on here. Somebody sent you a Christmas ham. Okay, there we go. There we go. Open it up. Open it up. You can just sit here and look at the gummy bears.
A little help?
Okay.
Thanks. There's a lot of Beyblade.
Oh, I don't know about a carton full. Show your dad.
What
Show
we
your
got
dad.
here? What we? Oh wow, we got an army of Beyblades in here.
Show Grandpa. Show Grandpa.
Show,
Show him the box. Show him the box.
show Grandpa the box.
Look.
I'd say that was enough.
Yeah, but where's Secretaria?
We don't know.
In the secretarial lock. You just have to get down to the
You
bottom.
got what you got, and that's the way it is.
You got enough to give away.
Now.
Hey, you be happy about what you got.
Okay. There's another Pegasus?
Sure, why not? You could have Pegasus Wars,
Yeah.
where everybody's a Pegasus.
Yeah, the Pegasus Clone Wars.
And who's this?
Uh-oh.
That is Poison Serpent.
Poison Serpent.
These are your launcher grips.
Launcher grip.
String launcher.
String launcher.
This is Light and El Drago.
Maybe I can use that.
Maybe. Here's Dark Gasher.
Dark Gasher.
Here's Rock Leone.
Rock Leone.
And Earth Eagle.
Or Earth Eagle.
And another, oh, this one is a launcher grip. So
I
that
just saw
somebody
him.
else can play with you.
I just saw him at Beyblade movie.
Dun 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 dun.
Another one? Little help?
No, do it yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Underwear?
Tell you, still wrapped that.
I can't believe it!
I can't eat it. A ham.
Mamma mia!
It's a Pegasus,
Beyblade.
it's an arena for your games.
Another one?
Well, we have two because Mason will be playing.
I can't believe it.
So is that the last of it?
Well, yeah.
Well, of course, for the kids. So what do you think, Larry? Is this the best Christmas or what?
It's awesome! What are these?
They're wooden spinning tops.
Wow!
See, I told you Mason was in the
This
last
is
or
awesome!
He's already over the one to do it. Mason, come here. Mason, look. Oops.
Here.
Okay. I got him his own little one that he could mess around with. I got two arenas, so you can be playing with him and I'll just follow.
There you
with
go.
him. Bless you. Can we cut the...
Wow.